Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Iron XP farm. First, gather your essential materials like building blocks, 20 beds, and a few water buckets. Next, find a suitable area, ensuring it's at least 100 blocks away from any existing villages to prevent interference. Begin by building a 5x5 platform. This will serve as the base for your villager and zombie chamber. Now, it's time to set up the core of your farm. Carefully place 20 villagers into the chamber you've built. Then, introduce one zombie, ensuring it's positioned so the villagers can see it, but are completely safe from attack. This constant threat perception is crucial for spawning iron golems. Make sure all 20 beds are properly linked to your villagers. With your villagers and zombie in place, iron golems will begin to spawn. Next, you need a collection system. Construct a water flow that directs the newly spawned iron golems into a central drop shaft. This shaft should lead down to a killing chamber. In this chamber, use a single layer of lava to eliminate the golems, allowing their iron ingots and poppies to drop. Finally, let's set up your collection and experience system. Below the killing chamber, place hoppers leading into chests to automatically collect all the dropped iron ingots and poppies. For experience points, you can stand near the killing area or use a simple collection method. To optimize, consider adding a sorting system to manage your resources more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.